6:30 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Arlington to near Cornwall, moving at 30 miles per hour.
Why are you staticky? Now's not the time.
Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lincoln, Atlanta, and McLean around 5:45 p.m. Waynesville and Peoria around 5:50 p.m. Chestnut around 5:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Hayward, Kenny, Clinton, Johnson, and Wapella. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 20 and 124, and between mile markers 128 and 151. Interstate 74 between mile markers 141 and 144. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXJ71 in Peoria. The National Weather
Tornado warning?
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Logan County, western Logan County, and the southeastern has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Logan County.
This is WXJ75.
Until 6:15 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Dawson, or 13 miles northeast of Springfield, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cornwall around 5:45 p.m. Mount Pulaski around 5:50 p.m. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 120 and 124. At 5 p.m.